The density of a material can be found by taking its mass and dividing by its volume. Density will have units of mass over volume, so it can be in grams per centimeter cubed, grams per ml, or grams per liter. Now remember that 1 centimeter cubed is the same as 1 milliliter. Now what's important about density is that it's an intensive property. That means the density of a material will be the same whether you're talking about a small amount of it or a large amount of it. Let's show this in these two examples on this page. Let's say we have a small nugget of gold. It is 1 gram and it has a volume of 0.0518 centimeters cubed. So if I want to find its density, I can take 1 gram, I can divide by this volume, and I'm going to end up with 19.305 grams per centimeter cubed. Now, my mass has 3 sig figs. My volume has 3 significant figures. So that means my final answer should be 3 significant figures. So 19.305 ends up being 19.3 grams per centimeter cubed. Let's look at the same thing for a bar of gold. That might be 12.4 kilograms and have a volume of 642 centimeter cubed. Now the key thing is that if I want to compare the two densities, I need to have them in the same units. So instead of using the kilograms, let's convert this from kilograms to grams. And we do this by using the conversion factor between them. So 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So that's going to give me a mass of 12,400 grams. And then I divide by that volume, and I'm going to end up with 19.3146 grams per centimeter cubed. Now again, remember significant figures. My mass has 3 significant figures. My volume has 3 significant figures. So my density that I calculate will also have 3 significant figures. So I get 19.3 grams per centimeter cubed. So my densities, whether I'm talking about a small nugget or a bar, are the same, 19.3 grams per centimeter cubed. And that is what it means to be an intensive property. Now, one last thing to remember is that density actually varies with temperature. So this is 19.3 grams per centimeter cubed at 25 degrees C. If we were at a different temperature, our density would vary by a little bit. But the density would be the same whether I'm talking about a small amount or a big amount because it's an intensive property.